My name is Don Hare. I'm the Chief of Reed Volunteer Fire Department. We're out here now on 24-hour call, just surveying the flood here in case people need us for emergency situations, and also to coordinate with Henderson EMA and also the Sheriff's Department. We'll stay here for control to call us, or for somebody in the community to call us, and for us to come and help.
Well, we're building the sandbags around this RT site so that we could keep the water out of here and keep this unit from going down and getting underwater.
You said you're going to be here all night?
We'll probably be here all night in case we need to run water pumps. In case the water gets inside, we're going to keep it pumped out.